Greetings, everyone. Welcome to the UltFone channel. Have you ever experienced the heart-stopping moment when your iPhone suddenly goes completely black? This is the notorious black screen of death. Don't worry. Today I will guide you through solving this problem. By the end of this video, I believe your device will be back to normal. Before starting the repair, it is crucial to identify the exact cause of the iPhone black screen crash. This issue could stem from hardware faults, such as severe drops or battery connection problems. Or it could be a software fault, possibly due to update issues or defective applications causing the system to crash. Rest assured, whether it is a software or hardware fault, I am here to help you resolve the problem. Method 1. Check the hardware basics. First, make sure your phone is not completely out of power by inserting the charger and waiting a few minutes. Sometimes it just needs a little charge. Secondly, check for physical damage. If you have recently dropped your phone, professional help may be needed, but pay attention to these additional tips as they might still resolve the issue. Method 2. Force restart the device. If charging is unsuccessful, try a hard reset. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. If successful, congratulations on solving the problem. If not, don't panic. We are just getting started. Method 3. Using UltFone iOS system repair. This tool can fix over 150 iOS issues without deleting your data. To use UltFone iOS system repair, first download and install it on your computer, linking to the instructions in the video description. Connect your iPhone to enter recovery mode by quickly pressing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally pressing and holding the power button until you see the recovery screen. Open UltFone and click the Start Repair button. Select Standard Repair, which will not delete your data and is capable of solving most system problems. The software will prompt you to download the corresponding firmware to fix the iPhone system problem. Wait patiently for the download process, which will take about 10 minutes depending on your network speed. After the download is complete, I believe that after the repair is completed, your phone will be back to normal. Method 4. Restore using iTunes. Using iTunes may result in data loss. First, you need to connect your iPhone to the computer and enter recovery mode. Open iTunes and in the pop-up window, choose either Restore or Update if you do not want to upgrade the system. It is recommended to choose Restore, however. It should be noted that both options will erase data, so they should only be used as a last resort. This video tutorial ends here. If these methods work for you, I would appreciate it if you could show your feedback by liking this video and sharing in the comments which fix was most useful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next episode.